First keycap set. Ooh, mystery. Okay. Set that right here. Another mystery. E. Ooh. What do we have here? Ooh. What colors? What colors did we get? So we got a note. Says thank you. Let's see what's inside. Oh, that's so nice. That's so kind of them. I do love your keycaps. It was a thank you card. Sorry, I was reading it out of frame. Huge fan of Tai-Hao. I think that's how you pronounce it. So we have, ooh, these are the ones that I wanted to buy. I think like last Christmas. I believe these are the neon jelly pink. I believe. I'm actually colorblind, so it's actually kind of hard for me to see color sometimes. But I believe these are hot pink. And I think these are the purple ones that I wanted to buy as well. Damn, they really sent me the ones that I wanted too. That's crazy. Oh, this is gonna be looking so sick on my keyboard. I cannot wait. Alright, let's get this big box out of the way. Nothing else in here, right? No. Okay. And my unboxing videos aren't the best, but this isn't really an unboxing channel, more or less just me sharing the cool shit that I get or stuff that I think is cool. Alright. Ooh, I cannot wait to see what they sent. Oh, this is a crazy case. Ooh, okay. So you get the box, says enter a treasure collection. This is a really nice box. Tai-Hao since 1982. Clicker. What's it say on the bottom? Clicker, make your dreams alive. Alright. Let's see what we have. Ooh, the suspense keeps on piling on. Alright. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh ho ho. Oh ho 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 ho, baby. I believe this is I think this is the Miami one. Where's my phone? Right here. I believe this, I don't want to get the name wrong, just in case like people are interested in this keycap set and they're wondering what it is. So let me look it up real quick. I know it's Miami something. Is it Miami Heat? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Alright, well, no, I gotta find it. What is it? I was gonna say I just throw it up on the screen afterwards, but we ain't gonna do it, you guys, like that. We want to see what it is. That's what it is. It's the backlit Miami keycaps. Yeah. So these are gonna be the Miami Lights 116 keycap set. And man, oh, I cannot wait to throw this on. Oh my goodness. So this is pink that I noticed. Does that mean, and the rubber keycaps are pink, so does that mean that the next set could potentially be purple to go with it? I don't know, let's see. Alright. Alright, so it's the same box. Enter with the gold right there. This is a sick ass box. Really, really like luxurious when you open it. Makes you feel nice. Alright, let's see. I wonder if there's gonna be purple. Okay, the peel away. Get it towards you guys. Let's see. Ooh, okay, okay. These are lit. I think it's like a. I know it's black, but that might be gray. I'm not too sure. It's pretty sick. These are sick. Alright. And to look at the other ones for the final viewing. Here you go. I will get the information on this key set, and I will probably put it up in the video when I'm reviewing it, or not reviewing it, but when it's up on the screen. Just so if you guys are interested in this colorway as well, then you guys know where to get it and what color scheme it is. Tai-Hao has a lot of key sets on their page, so it can be, I guess, quite confusing on which one is which, especially when you don't know what you're looking at. Man, these are so sick. I cannot wait. They're gonna go on my ducky that's right in the, what is that, bottom right corner. I'm probably gonna throw on the Miami ones to be real, with the hot jelly pinks. I think so. These are so sick. I can't wait to put them on my stuff. And if you don't necessarily know what these are, coming back to these, they are rubber keycaps, so that way your fingers don't slip off of them when you're doing, obviously any gaming or whatever. I really, really, really recommend these. they definitely will add comfort to your keyboard. Hell yeah, these are super sick. Alright, hopefully you guys have a great day.